Independence Day of Pakistan, the land of prayers and promises. ये सरजमी सदियों से दुआओं की मिट्टी है, जहाँ हर जर्रे में शहीद का लहू, मुजाहिद का पसीना और माँ की दुआ बसी हुई है। ये धरती कुरान की आयत की खुशबू में रची बसी है। ये पाकिस्तान है, रब की अमानत, शहीदों की अमानत। Dreams paid in blood become eternal. कौमें ख्वाबों से बनती हैं, मगर वो ख्वाब जिनकी कीमत लहू से अदा हो, अमर हो जाते हैं। In the summer of 1947, when the world was still healing from war, a new struggle unfolded in the East. The people demanded not just land, but a place where their faith could breathe, their culture could flourish, and their children could live free. Muhammad Ali Jinnah carried that dream across deserts of doubts and oceans of opposition, until on 14th August 1947, a green and white flag was raised and history shifted.
पाकिस्तान हासिल करने के लिए हमने बहुत कुर्बानी की है।
From peaks to ports, one nation. From the snow peaks of K2 to the fertile embrace of the Indus, from the ancient sands of Mohenjo-daro to the deep waters of Gwadar, Pakistan is a tapestry of resilience. ये धरती महज जमीन नहीं, ये अहद है। ये धरती महज जमीन नहीं, ये अहद है। हमारे बुजुर्गों का हमसे और हमारा आने वाली नस्लों से। 78 years have tested this covenant. We have faced wars and betrayals, floods and earthquakes, division and doubt. But each trial has been met with one answer. We endure, we rise, we move forward. Markai Haq, Operation Bunyan and Marsoos. Today, under the banner of Markai Haq, Operation Bunyan and Marsoos, the nation stands in renewed resolve. At its helm, Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir, a soldier scholar whose leadership carries both the wisdom of experience and the clarity of vision. This operation is more than a military initiative. It is a moral stand, a declaration that Pakistan will confront every challenge with unwavering resolve. It strikes at the very roots of terrorism, dismantling the networks that threaten our peace. It shields our borders and secures our cities, restoring not just safety but dignity to our people. It is Pakistan's pledge to the world that our soil will be a sanctuary for progress, never a breeding ground for fear. Strength beyond the battlefield. Strength is not only in arms, it is in the stability of an economy, the confidence of its markets, the opportunities it gives its youth. In the presidency, Asif Ali Zardari offers seasoned leadership, guiding the state with balance and unity. Under Prime Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, Pakistan has begun to steady its financial foundations. On the world stage, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari speaks for a new generation. At the ground level, where safety meets daily life, the Sindh police stand as silent sentinels. The Special Security Unit, founded by Dr. Maqsood Ahmed, is a modern counter-terrorism force, disciplined, technology-equipped, and ever ready to protect the people. With a doctrine rooted in speed, precision, and public trust, SSU has neutralized threats before they could harm and trained new generations in the art of security. Dr. Maqsood Ahmed's vision transformed policing in Sindh from reactive defense to proactive protection, making urban safety a reality, not just a promise. पाकिस्तान हर सूबे का ख्वाब, हर खित्ते का खून और हर घर की दुआ है। जब ये सब एक साथ चलते हैं तो कोई ताकत इस वतन को झुका नहीं सकती। The heart of Pakistan is in its people. The farmer in his field, the student at her desk, the mother whispering Pakistan Zindabad to her child at night. ये सिताराव हलाल सिर्फ परचम नहीं, ये शहीद का कफन है, गाजी की ढाल है, हर उस बच्चे की आंखों का ख्वाब है जिसने अभी लफ्ज पाकिस्तान कहना सीखा है। हमने कुर्बानी दी, हमने खून दिया और हमने वादा किया कि पाकिस्तान रहेगा कयामत तक। Under Markai Haq as we march with faith as our compass, unity as our strength and hope as our horizon. This is our homeland. This is our promise. This is our Pakistan. Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.